I'm going to show you exactly how to add charts in Canva Sheets with a simple step-by-step method that helps you visualize your data clearly and keeps your design organized, even if you've never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, open your Canva sheet and select the data you want to turn into a chart. Once your data is selected, look at the floating toolbar above your sheet and click on the icon that looks like a bar chart. This will open a chart menu on the left-hand panel. Here, you can choose the type of chart you want to add, whether it's a tree map, circle, pie chart, bar chart, or donut chart. Canva gives you several options to visualize your data. If you want to explore more options, click on View All Charts to see the full range of charts available. Once you select the chart type you like, Canva will automatically insert it into your sheet, and you can adjust the size, colors, and labels to match your design. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You've successfully added a chart in Canva Sheets in a quick and simple way. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.